There's the sea. Sea's behind us. We're in Brighton. Do you want to tell the people what we've done so far today?
We've basically just been shopping.
We've been shopping. Seagulls are everywhere. That's the old. That's Hannah's head. We're gonna go over there and go on the rides later.
I got 3 books today.
Oh yeah, right. We are in, what shop was it?
I don't even know what shop.
We were in a random shop and they had all these big posters of like what was it, High School Musical and stuff. And we get to a Where's Wally one and it's this massive like A1 size poster. It was like all in black, it was all in red, blue and white, like Where's Wally and stuff. It was like a million figures all over this thing and I was just like, oh, we're never gonna be able to find Where's Wally. I'm ready to turn the poster over. And then
there he is.
And Hannah just spots it. It was the most amazing thing I've ever seen her do. I was well
like
over.
2 seconds it took me. I was like, oh, there's there. To be honest, it was a fluke, but still, it's amazing.
Oh, we've just had chicken nuggets and chips because we're
From a fish and chip shop.
It was good. It was good.
It was good. Apart from the 10p they charged us for ketchup.
10p for ketchup. What the hell? And a quid for water. Extortion. I would laugh if you got craps on right now. Anyway, we're gonna say goodbye now because we're gonna go on the rides.
Bye.
Where are we going, Hannah? Where are we going?
Over there.
We're going there. On the pier. It's probably really loud. You might not be able to hear us. We are about to get some tickets. Look at that one.
Oh, let's go on that one too.
How many do we want to go on? We want to go on that one. The Wolves.
On the crazy
And the crazy Brighton Pier. And then we're going to get mini donuts and rock. This is like the best thing ever.
We're such a tourist. It's amazing coming here with like someone from the north.
I have been here before when I was 9 and that was the first loop I went on. Okay, strike a pose, have a go. That doesn't actually look that impressive. You go on that.
We went on it because we were like either side. It went so fast.
I was like passing out. I couldn't focus my eyes. It was really painful. And then we went on that one.
It felt like you're going over the edge.
I can't even see where they're going there.
I would go on it, but
It kind of costs a £5, so we don't really want to waste the money. Oh my god, here we go, here we go.
they're like filming those people. They're just like
I'm building up their skirts. And Hannah's eating a donut.
me stuff on my face. This guy with green hair over there.
Where? Oh god, yeah.
Dennis the Menace jumper.
Eating donuts on the beach. There's the pier. There's the donuts, Hannah. Where are the donuts? Have you already
My
eaten
bag.
one?
I've already eaten one. This is Claire checking how cold the water is. She has no idea. Gonna get her arse in shot. Oh, it's arse in shot. I accidentally got your arse then. I zoomed in, but you bent down. You bent over. You got your shoes there.
My nose is surprisingly waterproof.
How cold was it?
Freezing. Come here.
Oh my god! Touching on my face. She just fell over. It's so awkward. We picked our seat wisely.
Actually, we ran down the
Claire ran into the sea.
How many times have you seen that, Hannah? How many times are we going to see it?
Probably more, to be fair.
We need to see it on Broadway, and then in Tokyo,
And then in Stuttgart,
Australia, San Fran. Right, we have to stop before the repeaters carry on. Bye-bye.
Yeah. Going home now. Bye.